Hello, I am Dr. Margaret Scarlett, a public health expert in infection control and infectious diseases for over 20 years. As you take your seats, you will notice a CASPR disinfection system at the center of the theater. This is to ensure that you're in a safe indoor space, free of harmful germs. That's because CASPR is continuously purifying the air and surfaces for your comfort and safety. CASPR, which stands for Continuous Air and Surface Pathogen Reduction, converts oxygen and humidity in the air into highly effective oxidizing molecules, predominantly hydrogen peroxide. Completely safe and effective in occupied spaces, these molecules then circulate the entire indoor space, purifying every surface and the air the entire time you're sitting here. CASPR is effective against a wide range of viruses, bacteria, mold, fungi, VOCs, allergens, and even odors. CASPR is keeping this space germ-free so you can enjoy your movie with peace of mind. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.